Hi there students. In this video I want to look at two words, gadget and gizmo. Okay, a gadget is a countable noun, a gizmo as well. A gadget is a tool or a device or a machine, especially some specialized mechanical or electronic device to do a specific job. So, for example, I bought a new gizmo that peels onions. It's really clever and ingenious. I guess Kindle is a gadget to read books with. A smoke detector is a gadget to warn you that there may be a fire. So I think today almost any piece of consumer electronics is a gadget, a tool to do a specific job. Normally a clever or ingenious tool, and it's mechanical or electronic. Now, the word gizmo we use to talk about one of these gadgets when we don't know the name, or we can't remember the name, or we don't know the exact technical word for the gadget. A gizmo that peels onions, a gizmo that tells you what temperature it is at the top of Mount Everest. Okay, let's see. I think gizmo and gadget are synonyms. I think the difference is gizmo is very informal and gadget is neutral towards informal. So a gadget and a gizmo, a little device that is popular among people, very often because of its ingenuity or its novelty. Yeah, the way it works, it's really clever. Maybe more than for its actual practical use. But very often over time, these gadgets then become mainstream. I guess originally a mobile phone was a gadget, yeah, when it was new, but nowadays this is a mainstream device and I don't think I'd call it a gadget anymore. So things that are gadgets in the past either disappear or everybody uses them. Okay, so a gadget, a device to do a specialized job, is clever and intelligent. And gizmo the same, especially when you don't know what to call it. You know what it does, but you don't know its name. Let's see, there's a guy called Heath Robinson who used to draw pictures of the strangest gadgets, and his pictures are interesting for the ingenious ways that he gets things done, not normally for the job that they actually do. So I don't know, something to wake you up in the morning. Maybe there's a rooster who makes a noise, and there's a sensor that hears the noise and kicks a ball which knocks over some bottles which roll into you and wake you up. That's the idea of Heath Robinson gadgets. Okay, so gadget and gizmo. Yeah, a little machine to do things. Now, formality. I think I'd give a gadget a 4 in formality. And I think I'd probably give a gizmo a 3 or even 2.5 in formality. Both of these words are great for an informal conversation. I think you could use gadget semi-formally. But if you want something more formal than that, I think I would use the words a device or a machine. Now, the next question, the origin of these words. Well, maybe the word gadget comes from a glass blower's tool. This is somebody who blows molten glass. And the gadget may have been a clip to hold the base of a glass while he was making it, so that it didn't leave a mark on the glass. And this then is probably related to the French word gâchette, meaning a lock, a catch, a trigger. And if you can give me information about the origin of gizmo, I would be very grateful. So, a gadget, a small ingenious device that does something specialised. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gadget and Gizmo.